Hey guys, welcome back to my video, and today's video is about hand drawing tutorial part 2. If you missed the part 1, please check the link below. Most of the people avoid to use 4H and 2H pencils because it's very strong on the paper when you're drawing with it. It feels like you take the stone to draw on the paper. On the other hand, I love to use it to fill with a little gap to make it look more fulfilled. In my experience, if you use HB pencils first or 2B, 4B, then you use 2H or 4H to fill on the top, it would give you the nice finished look. But if you use 2H or 4H pencils to start first, then it's really hard to add more layer or more shadow on the top of it. It feels like you took the 2B pencils or even HB pencils to draw on the plastic or to draw on the mirror. You might think why I keep drawing and drawing with a harder pencil like 4H and 2H again and again, layer and layer, and it seemed like turn nowhere. The truth is, the more layer of the harder pencils, it gonna give you more depth, and it also the most important things with the drawing realistic and hyperrealism. For the pencil brand that I use with this whole drawing, it's come from General Pencils brand Kimberly. I used to saw some video review with the Kimberly General Pencils that it's a kind of graphite pencils without reflections, but it's totally wrong. When I own it and I use it, it still have the reflection like the other graphite pencil, but the special case with this pencil is it a little bit darker than the other graphite pencil, and it more soft when we use on the smooth paper. To make the picture more realistic, we should not draw the outline too hard. It's gonna feel like we're drawing cartoon. So I take the eraser to erase the edge. I forgot the brand name of this eraser, but it worked really well on the graphite pencils, and it can clean better on charcoal pencil. With charcoal pencil also. Every time I erase my drawing, it always reminds me of a mistake or the regret experienced in the past, which I wish I did not want to see again. But sometimes we erase to draw, but sometimes we draw to erase. After we erase, we always leave the dirt behind. It's like a dead pencil, those all small pieces. So I carefully wrap it with kidnap eraser. I suggest you should avoid to blow on the paper. It might make it wet and it's going to destroy all the whole drawing. I use the soft makeup brush to blend where I want it to look more smooth, and I use blending stump to blend where I want to leave some pencil stroke. We also can use the tissue to blend it too. It based on which area that we have to work with it. And another tip is to avoid use your hand to blend on the paper or to touch direct on the paper because it's gonna mess the drawing. Our hand have natural oil even when we can see with our eyes or even after we wash it. Well, I think that's all for the video today. If you want some more real-time tutorial, then head to my Patreon. I appreciate if you stay tuned and see you guys in my next video.